Welcome to Planet of Play. Today we have Zuru Mini Brands Fill the Fridge. This is the actual fridge and it has an LED light in it. So cool, and I can't wait to open it up. Okay, here we have our fridge. Oh, there's a little light inside. I didn't even know it did that. I knew it had the UV light. I didn't know it had an actual fridge light. Wow. So cool. And if we close it, oh, just like a real fridge. Oh, look at the freezer section. Little drawers actually come out too. So we can put our minis in there. Look at, they're so cute. Ooh, how exciting. Well, let's open up and see what we have here. We have some surprises. So it looks like we have, oh wow, an egg tray. There's some shelving here. Doesn't that look like an egg tray? I think it's an egg tray. Whoa, some clear fridge shelves. Here we go. What do we have? Some jelly glue. And the jelly mold. That's to make that little jelly. And then this goes on top of it. And in here we have, let's see, oh, a little plate and some tongs. And what you just saw fall out was super tiny little nectarines, or little mandarins. Look at them, they're so little, so you can make your mandarin jelly. There is actually a total of 4 of them. Is a fun little watermelon magnet and an Olipop strawberry vanilla flavor. So cute. I'm gonna put together the fridge and then I'll show you what it looks like. If you want to use the UV light to cure your resin for any crafts you might have, turn it on here, open, and the light becomes purple. Now you have the UV light instead of the yellow light. Okay, I have it all put together. What do you guys think? Super realistic and cute. This even comes out too. I'm going to be filling this in a video coming up soon, so stay tuned and you'll see this filled up with some mini foods.